Hi guys, this is Danielle from Thoroughbred CrossFit, and I want to talk to you about the Chili Goat. So I recently had a different tub before this, so we got a tub for our gym. We actually started with a deep freezer to test it out and see if people would actually use a tub type of thing for recovery, post-workout, pre-workout, all of that fun stuff. And we did it with the deep freezer, tried to convert it the best way we could. Everyone used it, which surprised us. So then we upgraded the deep freezer to the other cold tub that we had. And we used that for maybe a year, and we had a lot of issues with that. So as soon as people would go in it, it would go up a temperature, a degree or two every time, which was super frustrating because at like 4 p.m. in Florida, 6 people would be in line to use it before the workout, and it would go from like 30 degrees to like 45. And at that point, it was kind of not really worth it to use it. So we had an issue with how fast the temperature would go up every time someone used it and how slow it would come back down. So it would take like an hour then to go back down like a degree or two. So it was really frustrating trying to use it in like a gym setting where a lot of people want to try to recover with it or use this post-workout, which most of our people like using this post-workout, or sorry, pre-workout, because it just like gets you ready to go, wakes you up for the workout. So quick 2-3 minutes in there before, and everyone's super happy. So we used that, had an issue with how, again, hot it was getting, and kind of defeated the purpose of using it. And so we were ready to upgrade. And also like it would break down a lot, and that was frustrating. And just like the tank was really big on the side. It was just, there was a bucket of problems with it. We were over it, but we upgraded to the Chili Goat, and we love the Chili Goat. First of all, it's gorgeous, like this wood type of finish. She's so pretty. We love her. It fits in our gym so well because we have wood walls, we have the black. It just matches so perfect. We were obsessed with the look of it. It's more compact. It's a deeper seat, which as a short person, not so fun, but as most of our people are a lot taller than me, it is deeper for them to go all the way in, and it has like the armrests on the side, so it's really nice for you like to sit all the way down and have the armrest, and you can just like chill in there. So that's really cool. So our tall people love that. They can actually get all the way in, where our other tub, they were stuck with some of their body out unless they like cramped all the way down. So good for taller people. I'm 5 feet, so literally anyone bigger than me loves that they have a deeper seat. So that was great. But it's really easy to clean and maintain. Like, I am not very technological, and this is fine for me to take care of because the filter is super easy to just switch in and out, and just easy to replace that, give it a good deep clean. It doesn't need to be maintained very much. I haven't had any issues with it breaking down, anything like that, but it does stay cold, which is amazing. We have it in our low 30s, and it stays low 30s. So we're in South Florida. It gets hot all the time. It's by a window too, so like the sun's always coming in, and it's right by a big door here too, and it stays cold, which is awesome. So we can have like 6 to 10 people back to back use it, and it's really not going to go up at all. And conversely, it'll go down just as fast. So that's great. So we can really pump it through, a lot of people through here. We have a lot that use it like early morning, 5-6 a.m. before their workouts. And then we have a lot of people that use it like around our 4 p.m. afternoon time too. But most people do it post-workout, which is great. Or some people come on their off days and they'll just do it. Either one to keep like their routine going, which is nice, or just like as a recovery period, so we'll just go in it for a little longer. But it definitely gets so much use. So we do love it because it's just easier to use in a gym setting where a lot of people are going to use it. It stays colder better. It goes through less maintenance with how many people it goes through, which is great. So that makes it super easy too. But working with the MasterSpas team is great. We love the people that have helped us get this. It was so easy to get. We talk to them all the time. If we have any problems, they're so easy to help as far as like filters or getting chemicals or just like any issues, whatever that have come up, or just questions we have. They're so quick to respond. They're so communicable, and we love working with them. So it's definitely great if you're looking for a cold tub and you want to add it either like to your house, which we have some members that have went and bought them for their house too, just to like have it too. But it's really easy. We clean it maybe once a week. The chemicals do a great job in keeping it fresh. There's the, it keeps running water in there too, which is nice because like our original tub didn't have like a constant flow of water where this one does. So it just kind of helps like it not be stagnant and get weird. So that helps too. So it's got the jacuzzi tub vibes, and there's also really cool lights in there. So it's kind of awesome, but aesthetically it's really cool. So we love it. We highly recommend it. If you are in the market for a cold tub, post-workout recovery, all of the fun things, we think that the Chili Goat is the go-to for you.